How to use free hit on FPL. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on the official website by typing fantasy.premierleague.com and then come under the fantasy section. Once you're here, click on transfers. So make the transfers as you normally would. So go ahead and click on the player that you want to transfer. So once you've made all the transfers that you like, go ahead and click on make transfers. So it is at this point where the game will ask you if you want to use free hit or not. So it will pop up here and you can just click on free hit and it will ask you to confirm one more time and you can just confirm it. Now once free hit has been activated, it can't be cancelled. Now you can make unlimited transfers for one game week only once it has been activated, and the transfers last for one game week only as well. So the squad resets to the original lineup after the game week has been completed. So this is how to use free hit on FPL. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.